Hello guys! As many of you know, I don't have a shop anymore, at least temporarily. So in the meantime that I find a new one, I will have to downsize a bit what I do so I can do it at home on the kitchen table. So modeling is something that I always wanted to do, which it doesn't mean you will be seeing me posing in my Speedos from now on. I'm not sure it's gonna be a nice view anyway. So, yeah, I'm talking about scale models, so little cars and planes that can be static, put on a shelf, or radio controlled, flown around or driven around in fields and stuff to have fun. Soon I realized though, when I was stepping into this process, I had to document myself a bit and educate myself a bit on how to do it, because I like to build stuff from scratch. So buying kits that I just have to glue together, it's not my thing. I'm gonna just build everything from scratch. And soon I realized I needed a foam cutter. A foam cutter is something that uses a hot wire to cut basically all sorts of styrofoam material. If you step into a model shop and to a model shop in a scale model shop and ask for one of those, they will probably cost you an arm and a... But I realized I could build one really on the cheap. If you have a computer power unit, a bit of steel wire and some PVC pipes, and you can make one. Let me show you how I made mine. Let's go. So this is what it's all about. A structure made of PVC pipes, a couple L pieces and a straight one that I cut. I assembled it and I put steel wire between the two tips of the PVC pipes and connected plus and minus, which then they will be connected to a longer wire that goes to the computer power unit on the connector that goes on the motherboard, the main one. As you can see, I had to bridge a green and black cable. You need to do this with the green and black cable because otherwise the power unit will not start. And then I picked up a red and black and connected directly to the foam cutter. There is a switch on the back of the power unit, so I can use that. And that's basically it. A bit of tape to avoid contacts with stuff I don't want to. Job done. Let's make a little test cut now. Just turned on the power unit and here we go. Just go right through it. Job done. I realized the camera was out of focus, so I made another close-up with a small piece. Turn it on again and goes right through the material effortlessly. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This was all.